Hi kids! Welcome to our super fun YouTube channel. Today, we're going to learn something exciting, opposite words. Opposite words are also called antonyms. Are you ready to explore these cool word pairs with me? Let's get started. Big and small. The opposite of big and small. Look at this elephant. It's so big. And here's a little mouse. It's so small. Can you say it with me? Big and small. Hot and cold. The opposite of hot is cold. This tea is very hot. Careful not to touch. But look at the snowman. He's feeling cold. Say it with me, hot and cold. Happy and sad. The opposite of happy is sad. This sun is so happy. But the rainy cloud feels a bit sad. Let's say it together, happy and sad. Fast and slow. The opposite of fast is slow. This car is super fast. Vroom vroom. And here's our turtle, moving very slow. Repeat after me, fast and slow. Day and night. The opposite of day is night. During the day, the sun shines bright. And at night, the moon lights up the sky. Say it with me, day and night. Open and closed. The opposite of open is closed. This door is open. Now it's closed. Can you say it? Open and closed. Up and down. The opposite of up is down. The man is walking up to the stairs. The man is walking down to the stairs. Say it with me, up and down. Clean and dirty. The opposite of clean is dirty. This plate is so clean and shiny. But this one is all dirty. Say it with me, clean and dirty. Tall and short. The opposite of tall is short. The giraffe is very tall. But the rabbit is so short. Let's say it together, tall and short. Strong and weak. The opposite of strong is weak. The weightlifter is so strong. But the little kitten looks weak. Say it with me, strong and weak. Light and heavy. The opposite of light is heavy. The balloon is very light. But the rock is so heavy. Repeat after me, light and heavy. Wow! Great job, everyone! You just learned some amazing opposite words. Let's quickly review. Big and small. Hot and cold. Happy and sad. Fast and slow. Day and night. Open and closed. Up and down. Clean and dirty. Tall and short. Strong and weak. Light and heavy. What other opposite words can you think of? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fun learning videos. See you next time, friends!